Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block ads on any website in the Firefox browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Mozilla Firefox browser and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu, click on this one add-ons and themes option. Under Firefox add-ons manager, click on extensions in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find a search box. Here, type add guard and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you to a new tab in the Firefox browser. Here, click on this one add guard add blocker link. Now click on this one add to Firefox button. This will download and install AdGuard Ad Blocker on your Mozilla Firefox browser. In the pop-up, click on this one Add button. Now it will download the latest database filters of AdGuard. Now you will find something like this. You can close these tabs and now visit any website you want to see, such as gearupwindows.com, and you should not see any type of ads in your browser in any website. This is one of the best ad blocker that I have found in the internet, and I always use whenever I need it. I use ad blocker ad card extension. That's all about this video. Bye.